In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly unsubscribe from newsletters in Gmail and stop unwanted emails from filling your inbox. First, go to Gmail and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, find and select the email you want to unsubscribe from. This will usually be a newsletter or promotional email. Once you open the email, look at the top area near the sender's name and click on the Unsubscribe button. Gmail often shows this option automatically for most newsletters. After clicking Unsubscribe, scroll down if needed and click on Manage Your Subscription if the option appears. This will redirect you to the sender's website or unsubscribe page. Now, click on Unsubscribe again to confirm that you no longer want to receive emails from that sender. Some websites may ask you to confirm or save your preferences, so make sure to click Save if required. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through the unsubscribe process, you can simply block the sender directly in Gmail to stop future emails from reaching your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from a newsletter in Gmail and cleaned up your inbox.